Good morning, standard 5 students. In science, today we will discuss about the exercises of chapter 10. Exercise A, B, C and D we will discuss in this class. So, let us see about the exercises. So, first we will discuss exercise A. Tick the correct option. Now, you can see in this screen. Tick the correct option, one number. Our nervous system is made up of the options are A, brain, heart and liver, B, brain, spinal cord and nerves, C, eardrum, taste buds and nerves. So option B is correct here, brain, spinal cord and nerves. So we will tick option B, no? That is correct answer. Now next is two number, the spinal cord is protected inside the A, brain, B, rib cage, C, vertebral column. So we know that spinal cord is protected inside the vertebral column. So option C, vertebral column is correct here. So we will tick vertebral column here. Next is question number 3. So the question number 3 is, when we touch a hot object, the sensory nerve immediately passes a message to the brain, B, hands and C, spinal cord. So in this is automatic action, so it will be passed to the spinal cord. Now it is reflex action. We immediately remove our hand now when we touch a hot object. So this is controlled by the spinal cord and we will take the option C, that is spinal cord. Now next question number 4 is, the part of the brain that controls involuntary action is the. So the options are A, cerebellum, B, cerebrum, C, medulla. So here option C will be correct because medulla part, the last part of the brain, is it controls the involuntary action. Now let us see next question. Question number 5. You can see here question number 5. These nerves send signals from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. A, sensory nerves, B, motor nerves, C, mixed nerves. So you will see here the sensory nerve. Now option A is correct because sensory nerves take the messages from the sense organ to the brain or the spinal cord. Now next question is B, true, false. Write T for true statements and F for false statement. Question number 1 is, the scale protects the brain. Yes, it is true. The skull protects the brain. Second is, the adult brain weighs about 14 kilograms. It is false because our brain weighs 1.4 kilogram. Question number 3 is, the brain helps a person to think, remember, feel and control body movements. Yes, it is true. Brain helps us to these all activities. Question number 4 is, the actions controlled by the spinal cord are called reflex action. Yes, reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord, that is automatic and immediate actions. Question number 5 is, in the center of the iris is the pupil. Yes, it is true. There is a black dot in the center of the iris, that is known as pupil. Question number 6 is, the ears enable us to keep our balance. True, na? Hearing is also done by the ear and it is also it also help us to keep our balance. It is true. Now next question is, match the following. So let us see about the match the following. Question number 1, brain. It will match with option D, that is soft and delicate like a jelly. Question 2 is spinal cord. It links the brain to the other parts of the body. 3 number, sensory nerves, B, option B, carry messages from the sense organs to the brain. 4 is involuntary actions, a beating of the heart. This is involuntary action. It is done by the beating of heart is involuntary. We cannot control the beating of our heart. Next question is, write short answer question number D. So first number is, name the activities that our nervous system makes possible. Our nervous system makes possible various activities like seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, crying, laughing, reading, writing, walking, climbing, talking, feeling pain or pleasure, and many different types of activities, all the senses we can feel due to our nervous system. Now question number 2 is, what is the role of the brain in our body? So the brain coordinates all the actions and reactions of the body. It helps a person to think, remember, feel and control body movements. So all the sense organs, all our sense organs works according to brain. First the messages goes from the sense organ to the brain. After that only we can feel the senses. And that's why it coordinates all the actions of the body and it helps the person to do different activities. Question number 3 is, what are the 3 kinds of nerves? So 3 kinds of nerves are sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. You can see in the picture, sensory nerves carry the messages from the sense organ to the brain or spinal cord. Motor nerves carry out the messages from the sense organ, brain or spinal cord to the again sense organs back. The orders that is given by the brain is taken by the motor nerves to give the responses from the sense organs. And mixed nerves do the both the job. They are acting as the sensory neuron also, and they are acting as the motor neuron also. So they are doing the both the jobs. They are carrying the messages to the brain or spinal cord. Again, they are taking back the responses also from the brain and spinal cord to the sensory organs. Now next, question number 4 is, give 2 examples of reflex actions. You can see 2 examples of reflex actions are coughing and sneezing. These are reflex action. We cannot control it. It is immediately or automatic action. Question number 5 is, how should we take care of our eyes? So our eyes are very important organ. So we should take care of our eyes. We should take care of our eyes in the following ways. First is, we should wash our eyes regularly with clean water. We should ensure there is sufficient light when we read. We should keep the book about 1 foot away from the eyes while reading. In dim light, we should not read also, and very bright light is also not good for our eyes. So we should use sufficient light when we read, and very near. We should not keep our book or notebook very near to our eyes. There should be a distance of 1 foot at least from our eyes when we are reading. Next is, we should not watch TV or play games on the computer or mobile for a long time. For a long time, when you will watch TV or play games, then what will happen? It will give strain to your eyes, and your eyes can damage. It can damage your eyes. We should always sit at least 6 feet away from the television set. When we are watching television, we should maintain the distance from the television set about 6 feet. We should not see television. We should not watch television by sitting very close to the television, and we should not work on computer also very close. We should maintain a distance from television and computer while we are working on computer or while we are watching the television. We should get our eyes checked if you are unable to read what is written on the blackboard. Most of the children, they are feeling problem. If you are feeling problem while seeing the blackboard from your benches in the class, then you should say to your parents, and you should go for a eye checkup. Maybe you have any eye problem that should be cured very soon. Otherwise, you may create problem in your next future. The question number 6 is, how should we take care of our ears? Ears are also very important organ of hearing, and it keeps balance of your body also. So we should take care of our ear. So how we will take? We should take care of our ears in the following ways. We should never clean our ears with pointed objects like a pin or a matchstick or a pencil. We should never use pointed objects because it can damage your eardrum. If your eardrum will have any rupture, then what happen? It will not vibrate and any sound will not be able to reach your ear. So you cannot hear also, it can make you deaf. So you should not use any pointed object to clean your ears. Next is, we should use a dry towel to clean our ears and not let water enter our ears. So we should always clean our ears with dry towel, and we should not allow any water to enter our ears because it can damage your internal organ of the ear. Next is, we should keep away from loud sound. It can damage our ears and we may turn deaf. Okay, loud sound is also very harmful for our ears. It can damage the eardrum again, and it can make you deaf. It can turn you deaf because eardrum will rupture, then you will not be able to hear. We should visit a doctor if you have any earache. If you have any earache, maybe your internal organs have any problem. So you must go to a doctor for checkup, and you should do proper treatment to cure your ear. So thank you, students. Now it is over. Next class we will meet with the next question answers. Thank you all of you.